Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you guys an app called Threads by Instagram. So we'll be looking at what is Thread by Instagram and how to use the app. Please consider subscribing to this channel as I make social media tutorial or update videos on a daily basis. I would really appreciate your support. So what is Thread by Instagram? This is a camera-first messaging app, meaning you can take a photo or a video and send it to your close friends in a matter of seconds. This is an app created by Instagram, and the sole purpose of the app is to stay connected with your close friends from Instagram by sending photos or videos. However, you can also send messages and share your status with them. So let's look at how to use it. So you can download this app from the App Store and it's completely free. When you first start it up, if you already have Instagram installed, it'll recognize your Instagram account. If not, then you'll need to sign in using your Instagram account. In my case, it recognized my Instagram account and I'll tap on continue as my account. Now in the next screen, it'll ask you to choose 2 or more of your close friends. So all of these details are pulled from your Instagram account, as Instagram also has a list of close friends and you can specify it over there as well. Since I don't have anyone set in the close friends list, it'll ask me to pick my friends. So I'll go ahead and choose the friends and then tap on continue. Now in the next screen, the app will ask you if you want to see notifications when your friends message you. For now, I'll tap on skip. In the next screen, it'll ask you if you want to set camera shortcuts to your close friends' profiles, so you can message them in a flash. Again, I'll just press skip. Now in the third screen, it'll ask you if you want to switch on auto status. Auto status is where the app will update your status based on your location, movement, battery level, and network connection. Again, I'll disable that feature and I'll press skip. Now in the next screen, it'll ask you to set your theme. So you can choose your theme by swiping left or right. And once you've done that, you've set yourself up on Threads by Instagram. Now let's look at how to use this application. This app will use your camera and your microphone, so allow access to that. Since this is a camera messaging app, it will always open in this mode. Let's look at the options we have here on screen. At the top left, we have the set status option. In this option, you can set a status to what is available, or you can make your custom status. You can also switch on auto status from this page. I'll go ahead and add my custom status. You also need to add an emoji to the status. If you look above, it'll give you the options if you want to notify your close friends. I'll disable that for now. Just below that, you can also set your status to a location. So for example, if you're at work, you can set the status as working and set your work location. Next, we have the message option at the top right. Now this is similar to your Instagram direct message. It gives you the option to message your close friends or everyone on your Instagram direct message screen. It follows the same process as your Instagram direct message. So the second option from the top right is your camera roll icon. So this is where you can upload images from your phone's camera roll and send it to your close friends. The third icon is the effect icon, and this is where your Instagram effects can be applied to your camera view. Again, very similar to Instagram, where you can apply these effects to your story. The fourth icon is your flash, which is quite obvious. The fifth icon is to switch from your back camera to your front. Now let's try to use the app by taking a photo and sending it to one of my close friends. Like Instagram story, after taking a photo or video, you can add text, stickers, lines, and also set the post to disappear after 2 views, 1 views, or not disappear at all. There are also other options to save your photo and video that you have taken. Now let's share it to your close friends, or to your story, or to your followers. In this case, I'll just share it with my close friends. Overall, in my opinion, Thread for Instagram is just an extension for your close friends on Instagram. This allows you to send private messages to your close friends on this. However, you can do the same thing on the Instagram app as well. There are plans from Instagram to allow cross-platform messaging to WhatsApp and Facebook, but let's see how it goes. So there you go guys, that is what Thread is by Instagram. Check out this app and let me know what you think of it. Is it useful or just another Instagram app? Hope you found this video useful. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.